Hello everyone, welcome to another DaVinci Resolve 18 tutorial video. Today in this video, I will show you how to render faster in DaVinci Resolve 18. Now, there are a couple of ways that you can render faster in DaVinci Resolve 18, but you will need to know, what your problem is. Now, let me show you right here. So as you can see, one of the problems that I saw usually is enabling render cache. Now sometimes having the recommended requirements isn't enough, right? So as easy thing you can do is to get a small boost in performance. So if you don't have a good PC, you'll need to go to playback, render cache, and make sure it's hit smart. This will enable you, if you don't have a good PC, to render faster in DaVinci Resolve. Now, next up, what you can do is you can also have right-click, render cache fusion output, and click on on. You can also do that by going or right-click on your timeline and just going to render cache fusion output and click on. Now, second thing that you can do is you can use optimized media. Now, if you want, you can go and click on the project settings gear. This is the icon in the lower right-hand corner, and you want to go to the master settings and then to optimize media format, which is right here, optimize media and render cache right here. Now, as you can see, the drop-down menu will give you a whole slew of options. ProRes options will run great on Mac, whereas this option will work great for Windows devices, as you can see. Now, obviously, you can go on the media. Right here, you have media library. You can right-click and generate optimized media. And this might take a while, but you'll have optimized media clips to work with, and you will have much better and you will have much faster rendering speed. Now, you can also use optimized media by clicking on playback and use optimized media if available. You can also have a proxy mode. So a proxy mode, you can go to project settings, master settings, and then you have proxy media settings. And as you can see, this proxy is ideal if you want to go and choosing a low resolution and low quality file type. This is for low-end devices. If you have low-end device, make sure to choose this right here. This will allow you to also render faster in DaVinci Resolve. And you can also right-click and generate proxy media on your media. To ensure your proxies are enabled, you need to list or select list view and then click or select right-click on the clip name and select proxy media path. And this will basically how you can render faster in DaVinci Resolve 18. There are a couple of ways, but keep in mind that this will entirely depend on your length of the clips, your PC as well, and a lot of other things that you don't have, that you cannot really control. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.